How we all doing? So after making the video last night, I sort of lost the run of myself here, and I decided, you might remember I was weighing up should I change the caps or not. Well, I decided I would, so I'm after changing a load of them in there. I took the tube off, which is actually really easy to do. It's just 2 screws either side and the tube lifts off, scan coil slip off, so it's nice and handy. So I'm after getting a few grommets and sticking them in the tuner there. So I had the tuner out, so I'm just putting it back in now. So I'll let you know how I get on. Right lads, so I have the tuner back in now, and she's lovely and sturdy, and I gave the wafers another clean when I was in there, and I put a little bit of grease on the detent ball, so it's much smoother now indeed. So please God, now when I bang the tube back in and hook it all up, we'll be in business. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we're all back together now, so I'm going to give this a go. And the speaker has been repaired. The wife did a job on it, and what she did is she got you know, the wet wipes. She got one of those and dried it out, and then used a little bit of PVA on it, so it should be a good job. So thanks, ma'am. And she also redid the tin foil here on this little shield, so fair play to her. Thanks for the help. So I'll give this a go, and we'll see what happens. Just plug in the old Aurora into it. A bit of luck, we'll be in business. Forgot to put the shade back on the tuner, but I can do that from with a set anyway, so that's not a big deal. And the heaters are coming up anyway, so it's a good start. Alright, we got a raster of some description anyway. A bit of a line hole issue here. I'll have to investigate that. Well, I figured out the line hole problem. It's the pot on the front isn't working. It's going around and around, so I'll have to change that. So it's a tube off again effort, but not to worry. And funny enough, it was doing that anyway when I got it, but I didn't realise it was a pot. I thought it was a cap, a variable cap like on the bush. I never thought to look at it then when I had the tube out, but not to worry, doesn't matter. It's not a big job to whip the tube off, so that's what I'll do, and I'll change the pot. Well, I've been making a mug of myself as usual. To adjust the horizontal hole, you have to push the control in. Of course it goes around and around. Right, so I'm after giving myself the run around there for the last half hour, looking for a replacement pot and everything. But you know what? Don't blame me, blame the temperature. It's 25 degrees in here. Look at that day out there, it's mad. So that's the story. Anyway, I'm putting the set back together again, and then we'll have another look at it. Right, we'll see how this works out this time. Definitely the warm weather's getting to me, I think. I'm not used to it, you know. The melting temperature of an Irishman is around 21 degrees and it's 24.6 at the minute in the workshop. We'll be in the other two speakers. That's better. So there you go. After making a bit of a tit of myself there. Wouldn't fall out with that picture now though. A little bit of sound on vision, but that's because I think the signal is so strong going into it. But I have a switched attenuator here which I'll just stick in the way. See how it performs. This is a lovely bit of kit that came with the television. Real heavy, well made bit of stuff. So it's 20 dB, 20 dB, 20, 10, 5. I think that's 5 as well, and then 2 1s. So you can just see as I cut in, there's 20 dB there. A tiny bit of snow on the set. Of course, this is a fringe model, so you know that shouldn't bother. There's 60 dB down on what's coming out of the Aurora, and she's still there. Now they say that in difficult areas you pull out the contrast control. It does something to the response in the IF or some nonsense or other. See, does it make any difference? It makes it a little bit more watchable, I suppose. But yeah, a very sensitive set. Right lads, I'll get it back into the cabinet now after all me messing around. So there was just one other job I wanted to do on it before I put it back together. I thought the sound was very low, and it turns out the one Hunt's cap that I didn't change, that I missed, was gone near the open circuit and it crumbled into bits. It's 0.04. So when I changed that, now I've got tons of sound. Because I thought, you know, with the 3 speakers and all, it should be very loud. There should be no lack of volume on it. So that turned out to be the case. No lack of volume there now. So I'll get it back together now and we'll have a quick look at it then. Okay, so after all that messing around, I finally have it back together. It's just as well I don't do this for a living, or I probably would have got myself sacked for all that messing around. Anyway, I think it was well worth it. Especially, the sound had been low for a while, and well, since I got it. So, and I knew it should be a lot louder than it was. Especially with those 3 speakers, and that, even if it is only a Pye CTL58F. They could have nearly went for a push-pull output stage, but I suppose that would have been pushing the boat out just that little bit too far. So we'll see how it goes now anyway. Hopefully we're back in business. Hopefully. Changed the mains lead as well. It was odd the way that it split open like that all along its length. But, yeah, I think it was worth me while just to get stuck in when I had it on the bench instead of floating around with it again in another few weeks. There we go. No shortage of volume now. I've no way of playing that and on it, but I can play music through the Aurora. Now we'll still have the tone as well because I've no video input, but just give you an idea of the sound. So it sounds quite pleasant. When I get it into the house, I'll do a video of it working. That's fairly good. I'm happy enough with it and have it back together. Alright, thanks for watching. And sorry for making the mistake with the model number. I don't know where I got CTM17 into my head. I had one of those a few years ago as a scrap set that was rotten to the car with the neck knocked off it. So maybe that's what I was thinking about, I don't know. But this is a CTL58F. Anyway, stay safe out there and I'll catch you again soon with another video. Good luck for now.